Good morning, everyone. True Zero Emissions here. Okay, so we have Tiny's LEDs, which I saw these on an electric bike, and it looks so great. So special thanks to Craig for introducing me to these really bright lights. The lights are so bright that oftentimes Craig is asked to go to the back of the pack in group rides because the cameras, they don't know how to adjust to the great brightness of these lights. So I'll be installing an on and off switch to make it easy to turn them off. But if you want to be visible, these are the ones. I'm going to shine the lights down at the ground. I don't want to shine them at people. But lighting up the ground could make a neat effect, right? Because how many people have seen video of UFOs, which are just basically futuristic automobiles that are just white, like glowing white light, right? I just love that. I think it's great. I think it'd be neat to have something that hovered, and it's just like there's so much energy there that it just literally emits like a white light, right? So anyway, I think the color looks nice. This is a 6500 Kelvin is the color temperature, and it's a white light. And I was just reading, I'm probably going to call this video Cutting LEDs, even though I should make a shorter one too, because I could just say where to cut. I was looking at where do I cut these? How do I know where to cut them? Well, it was saying on the website that I can cut them approximately every 2 inches. There's a line. Let's see if we could see that line. Is it showing up on the camera here? Okay, well, I could see one with my eye right there. Okay, there's one right there. And let's see, there's going to be another one approximately 2 inches away from that. So let's follow that. Here's the tape measure right here. So we have 2 inches. Let's zoom out a little bit and then zoom in a little bit. So there should be one around right here, right? So let's see if we could first see this one that I'm looking at. Yeah, okay, you see the line right there? That's a line. And there should be one up here approximately. Yeah, there it is there. Do you see it? That's the line. So according to the website, approximately, I think it's just under like 1.9 inches, so it's just under 2 inches. We can cut there. That's where we cut these. So I'm making a video of that. Okay, everyone. True Zero Emissions. Really excited about these LED lights being on the scooter and running along the kind of like the bottom. I might put them at like a 45-degree angle. Some thoughts about where to mount these. Craig was actually giving me his ideas of where he thought he said, do you want them pointing outward or do you want them pointing the ground? I said, first I said the ground, but he said, you know, it's my choice. So he has his pointing perfectly outward, like exactly like from the side. He has it mounted on the side of his bike. And even in the daytime you can see them. They're very bright. But I don't think it's too bright. It's just that for cameras they're so much brighter than ordinary, like other lights typically are, that a auto exposure camera will be trying to compensate and probably make the whole scene too dark if it's adjusting for the LED lights, because it's trying to make everything equal in brightness, like averaging it out. So anyway, that's where what I'm looking at. I'm just kind of using these reusable zip ties to hold them in place so I can find out where I need to cut the LEDs. So Craig was suggesting that I could run them along the side here, or bottom, side or bottom, or somewhere between the two, and then come around here, and then around here. And my plan, these have an adhesive on them. When you order these from Tiny's LEDs, this is the 6S, the power that it requires to power these, 6S. Let's see, so you could say 6 times 4.2, and at the moment I don't know what that is. Let's see, I guess that would be around 24 volts. So it would be just over 24 volts. So I might run 2-3 cells in series to power these, and I have some over here on the side over there that I could charge up. Those are 3-cell lithium batteries over there. 11.1 volts. Those are 3 cells. So I may use those, a couple of those to run these. That's a night vision camera. We have one in the front and the back by Wolfbox on the Wolf King GTR. Okay everyone, see you in the next video.